What's up, everybody? Hey, this is Drew with Drew and Crew. It's been quite a while, I know, but we're finally back. And today we are here at Toadstool State Park, just north of Crawford, Nebraska, 10 or 15 miles or so. So Toadstool Park is some weird land formations out here that was caused by volcanic ash falling down.
Yep.
And then rivers roding it away into the weird rock formations that kind of look like toadstools right now. So we're gonna go do some hiking. There's several trails through here and go see what kind of cool stuff we can find. You guys come with us and enjoy the show. Well, yeah, so this is a pretty neat spot here. No, not there. Let's go over here. Pretty neat area. There's really no visitor center, though, we've noticed. A few little camping spots when you get here. Otherwise, it's just a lot of hiking, and there are trails, but it's pretty much just walk wherever. I mean, you're able to climb on this stuff.
You get a free run at it.
It is pretty loose. It's pretty loose
Hiking shoes are the best thing. What is it?
What did you find? Did you find diamonds? I don't know.
I didn't find diamonds yet.
Black diamonds.
Look at the body. And look at you're stepping on his leg. Do you see it?
Landon, your mother has found a prehistoric turtle.
And there's a baby!
Yeah!
Don't get him in on this too. We've gone from diamonds to prehistoric turtles.
See, and here's a foot. Here's a big foot.
Oh my goodness. And she has found the Bigfoot.
Babe, no, look.
It does look like a foot. I agree. It's possible it's just a rock.
But it could be Bigfoot.
On the other hand, it could be a prehistoric Bigfoot. We're just getting back to where we parked at, and Tanea just pointed out to me that we only did one trail. There's another trail that heads off that way. We went off that way. So, but we're getting ready. We're going to call it a day anyway. So we'll have to come back up here next time and go check out the other parts. But it's a big area up here, and you definitely could spend the whole day hiking and yeah, enjoying the spring and summer out here for sure. So we'll be back, and hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll catch you again next time.